Welcome back everyone to the Life of an Outdoorsman. Today we're going to be doing what I would probably consider the best type of fishing, which is topwater. We're going to be doing some topwater largemouth bass, and hope you enjoy. So to start off the day, morning, for me at least, it's a nice beautiful morning here. I've got this here. I don't even know what it's called, but it's basically, what do you call it, like a hollow belly frog with like these little paddle tails. It makes a lot of disturbance and noise as you pull it across the top of the water. I don't think I've ever caught a fish on this. I've had lots of blow ups from pike and everything. I've tried it, but I don't think I've actually got a hook set into a fish on this, so we're gonna change that today. Let's move the camera so you can see this, hopefully. Open the bail first. Come on. Nope, I think they're sitting in the shade. I haven't actually fished this side of the pond in the last couple times I was here, so I'm hoping that this will produce us a nice fish. Nice fish, hopefully. Set this up. Come on. There we go. All right, right along this shoreline, usually, especially this time of year, produces something at least. Let's give her a go. Nothing, eh? Let's try it right against the weeds. There we go. Got him. First fish on this lure. Nice one, nice one. Come on in here. Nice, look at that right in the top of the mouth. Check that out. Right in the top of the mouth. Nice. Pop that one out. Oops. Come back here. No, don't go in the water. Oh, go in the water then. Come on. Yeah. He's like, yes, I want to be taken, if I can be put back in the water. Nice. Going back. It's probably what? 1.75 pounds, maybe? That was a nice one. Nice one. Let's do that again. I actually should have waited a little bit longer to set the hook on that, but I guess I got excited and set it anyways. Whew, nice. See, that's the keys. You want to get real close to them weeds. Let's try again. Try again. So I just noticed that I wasn't filming that whole last little bit. I didn't catch anything, so it didn't really matter, but I was doing some talking at least. You missed that part. Maybe that's for the better. Whoa, he was biting it right at the shore here. Like right in front. I was having bites. I was having bites like right here in front of the weeds. So let's do that again. That's right out front here. Drag it in. Get out of here, bug. Come on out of there. Whoa. Okay. Pull the leg sideways again. How'd that work? It's a small one, I think. Same one as before, maybe? I don't know. I can't tell. So I'm gonna go back over where there's sunlight and see where there's fish in the sunlight. Because who doesn't like sunshine? So, the camera angle is probably going to be terrible, but I know where I can probably get a decent bite. And you guessed it. And you guessed it. It's still on this pond. Come on, you. Whew. Yeesh. Thought it was coming right at my face. Just didn't have the willpower to come this far. Take that, fish. So what I didn't tell you is that I'm here for 3 days. It's a long weekend. So I got Saturday morning, which is today, Sunday morning, Monday morning, and I'm going to put them all together as one big video. I don't know if it's going to be big, but it's going to be all one video. So this morning is topwater. Tomorrow, because topwater is not so good today, I might try topwater first thing and then go to something else if it's not very good right off the bat, because no sense trying something that ain't working. So, yes, you will see more fish. Almost, I guarantee. I would like to guarantee it, but you know how things work. In the fishing industry, not that I consider myself in the industry, but in the fishing world, there's a lot of unknowns. Watch this. Watch this. Watch this. I got something in my eye. Alright, that's going to be it for this morning. This here fella got me one fish and one good blow up. I just set the hook too early and I lost him. A couple other little nibbles. Anyhow, next time I see you, it may be another day, or it may be later today. We'll see. Probably not later today, but we shall see. Oh, good morning. It is about 7:15 on the third day. I didn't film anything yesterday because we went out early yesterday morning in the boat instead of fishing in the pond here. And we got a couple rock bass, as you'll see right here. Yeah, so we're here gonna do some topwater again and see if we can just kind of add some more to that first day, because the first day we only had the one fish and a couple blow-ups. Yesterday I did catch a fish in the pond here. We just came down to swim a little bit and I just casted a couple times and got a little tiny bass on plopper. So I'm just hoping for quantity to add to the video. So let's get to it. Alright, I'm going to start off down in this corner here, or casting down to that corner at least. The 3D printed Whoppa Ploppa. Weed fish. Got him. It's a nice one too. There we go. Nice. Ooh, he's a good one. He's a good one. Oh boys, we got a good one. Alright. Let's put this down here. Oops. You see that down there? Let's check this one out. Flip them up here. Oh yeah. Let's not grab the hooks. Nice. Check that one out. Let's flip the camera around here. Whew. Oh yeah. Check this one out. 3D printed whopper plopper. Smile. Nice. Pull them hooks out. One closest to my finger first would be a good idea. That one. And that one. Come on. Don't tell me I need pliers for this. There we go. See how easy it was with pliers? Nice and going back in. Well, that was cool. When I went to release it, I saw there was another big one down there that chased him as he went back in. Didn't see it on camera, but they're in there. Let's catch them. This is the shoreline, right here. The money hole. The honey hole. Watch us, watch us. Told you, told you. This shoreline's good. Come in here. A little tiny one, but hey, it's a fish. It's official. It's official. He doesn't have his mouth open. Let's just kind of pull this hook out first. Whoa, buddy. Stop freaking out. All right, we got another little one here. Gotta get the hook out of him. The hook's in kind of a precarious spot, but he's a small enough one I can just hopefully hold him like this and not get hooked. There we go. Nice little one. Little dink. Hold back. Oops. Bugs. Let's catch another one. I like that. It's like 2 seconds on the water. Not even, maybe. That's the way to catch a fish. Okay, let's turn it back out this way. Well, I've been fishing for about an hour now, and we've got a few fish, which is nice, which is good. But I'm going to swap this out for a Texas rig Senko, just to get a few more fish on the board before I head up, because we're going We're going bridge jumping today. Not bridge jumping. We're gonna be jumping off the bridge into the water at a local spot here. This is gonna be fun. But we gotta catch some more fish first. All right, I have a Texas Rig Senko one here, weightless. There are no fish going after it. Is it too bright? I knew I should have used the green pumpkin one. In this super clear water, the green pumpkin would have been a lot better. But I decided to go for the June bug and something. Sparkly bluish color. Which is usually what I use for the smallmouth. The green pumpkin is what I use for the largemouth. Although, oh, I just got bites, getting bites. Pretty sure it's something small. I got bites. No, it was something small. Oh, something's got it again. There we go. It's a tiny fish. Tiny fish. But hey, one fish, two casts. He's like just a baby. Going back. Alright. Let's catch some serious fish here. Come on. Let's twitch you a few times. Twitch, 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 twitch. And then you wait. You even just grab the line and twitch it that way. And just drop it. Let it sink. And you can also just say, there's nothing there. There we go. Oh yeah, had to be moving. Check that out. Told you, middle of the pond has fish. Stop. I will release you. Well, the camera just died and I lost my worm. So this will be the end of the video. Thanks for watching and I hope to see you again next time. Cheers.